Hello, Dr. McCorkle here again. We thought it would be helpful to answer some frequently asked questions that we get regarding cat vaccines. So we're just going to answer a few of those for you today.
Once my cat is vaccinated, will it need boosters?
Depends, yes. If your cat has never had vaccines before, oftentimes most of the vaccines require a booster. The one notable distinction there is the rabies vaccine. That does not need a booster right after. So in Texas, at least, where we are in Tarrant County, the law states that the first vaccine given for rabies has to be a 1 year, and then after that, it can be every 3 years if we have a documented record of a 1 year rabies vaccine. So that's how the rabies works. The FVRCP, which is the other core viral vaccine in cats, the initial vaccine is typically boosted a month later. But as an adult cat, it's been shown that that vaccine produces a really robust immune response. So most cats that have a history of at least a vaccine previously with FVRCP, as an adult cat, we give that vaccine every 3 years. And then the leukemia vaccine, which is the other common vaccine based on lifestyle in cats, it's called a non-core vaccine. That one has to be boosted a month after the initial vaccine and then annually after that.
What should I do if I miss my cat's vaccine due date?
Yeah, so stuff happens, and sometimes the vaccine dates are off. The best thing to do is just get in as quickly as possible so that the veterinarian can discuss lifestyle with you and make the appropriate recommendations on which vaccines need to be continued and how often. If you've missed the initial booster series, so for example, if a leukemia vaccine was given and then you missed the booster a month later, if it's beyond 6 weeks from the initial vaccine, it does have to be started over. And so you have to do the initial series of 2 vaccines a month apart, because it's very important that the immune system gets that initial boost to provide the full immunity that we want.
If my cat is vaccinated, is it safe to be around other animals that are not vaccinated?
That's a great question. So the core vaccines, as far as like rabies and the FVRCP, if your cat is vaccinated, the protection there is going to be extremely, extremely good. So the answer to that is yes. Leukemia vaccine is also highly effective, but ideally what the information you would have would be what's the status of the other cat. So if you have another cat that you're bringing into the house, it's really important that they have a leukemia and feline AIDS test done prior to understand if they are positive, because that will potentially put your cat at risk. With that said, leukemia vaccine is very effective, so most of the time we are pretty comfortable with that, but it's still just really important to understand the status so that you can help control environmental exposure and that kind of thing. Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much. I hope that's helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions about cat vaccines. We are happy to help. Thank you.